Stop uploading blind. You guys won't believe the hack I just found to check if your video will go viral before you even hit publish. I'm using youtubecreatorai.com to scan my edits. Their AI video scorecard is wild. It analyzes my hook vibe, clarity, and pacing, so I know exactly where viewers might drop off. It even checks market vibe and discoverability for the current algorithm. Plus, it gives me optimized titles, descriptions, and even a custom thumbnail concept in about a minute. It's basically a cheat code to get your video started right. All you need to do is go to the research lab on youtubecreatorai.com and try it. No more guessing. Go check your video vibe and let me know what you get in the comments. You guys won't believe how this AI just read the room on my latest Kathy Lee Gifford video. I stopped guessing and let the research lab take the wheel. I uploaded my draft about Kathy Lee's new $100 million Cedar Cliff listing, and the AI video scan scorecard went to work. It analyzed my entire vibe, pacing, flow, and even my clarity. It told me exactly where I was losing the plot and how to tighten the hook to keep you watching. But here's the kicker. It didn't just critique me. It handed me a viral-ready title, a perfect description, and all the keywords I needed to rank. It even picked up on the trend of her new book, Nero and Paul, to maximize my reach. If you want to stop guessing and start winning on YouTube, you need to check out youtubecreatorai.com. Use the research lab and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Join the community and let's grow together. You guys, I just ran my latest Selena Gomez video through this AI scan, and the results for her new $35 million mansion are actually wild. Look at the scorecard. It gave me high CTR titles for her Beverly Hills compound, and even pulled real-time data on her $6.5 million Encino home sale that literally just hit the market. It knows exactly what people are searching for right now. The vibe analysis even caught my pacing issues. It told me to lead with the aerial mansion shot to anchor the value immediately and keep you guys watching. It basically fixed my video before I even hit upload. If you want to stop guessing and start growing, you've got to try youtubecreatorai.com for your next video. So, would you pay $35 million for that view? Let me know in the comments.
In Miami, power has a specific address. Imagine a home so legendary it served as a backdrop for both the cinematic rise of Tony Montana and the real-life winter retreat of a U.S. president. This is 485 West Matheson Drive, the $237 million Scarface mansion that just became the most expensive listing in Miami-Dade history. In Miami, power has a specific address. Imagine a home so legendary it served as a